Well, thank you, Saw. You were good to me. Now, I would not recommend leaving your battery and your skill saw in case something happens to it and you're carrying it around. I'm going to just leave that in my little flashlight. Isn't that kind of a cool flashlight? It can set right here. You can turn the head any direction you want. Look at that. That works good underneath the sink, doing plumbing repairs or whatever, or up in the attic, whatever. I like that. That was a nice little set I got. All that stuff came in this bag, like I was saying before. If you didn't see that, see, here's the Sawzall. Here's another battery. Here's the battery charger. Here's the drill that came with it, and it even came with 2 Sawzall blades, one metal cutting, one wood. And I haven't used that Sawzall yet. I'm kind of anxious to try that. Next time I need that, I know what I'm going to use right there. And this is a quick charging battery. The lithium batteries last longer. I think they're like 5 times more powerful. You can get other lithium batteries that are actually thicker, that last longer, that are more powerful even, and that will fit in your same pieces of equipment, your battery operated tools. But that's really the way to go nowadays, is go with the lithium. And that whole set, it also came with the bag, all that stuff with that cute little saw there and the battery. I think it was like $179. It was almost like, hey, I can't afford not to get it. I needed a drill anyways, but buying the drill and 2 batteries and a charger with no case or anything was $99. And so basically I got the Sawzall, and I got the flashlight and the saw over there for $50. You know, because it was I think it was $147 total or something ridiculous. It was like okay, sold. I'm gonna get it. I didn't like the fact that the bag, you know, last time I got at Ryobi, this was years ago, it came with a nice heavy-duty plastic carry box for the drill. Well, they don't have those anymore. Usually they give you a little case. Well, it's nylon, and you know, it's fairly strong. I've already kind of dug a little hole into the side of it a little bit. It's not too bad right there. See, something already wore through it from inside, so you have to be kind of careful how you're carrying stuff. But that'll last me for a little bit. And you know, the bag came with it too. It was $147. Go to your closest Home Depot and see how much they are. Lots of times you can get different types of packages on sale, you know, around Christmas, the holidays, the first of the year, whenever, and just look for different things like that. You can always use a Sawzall, you can always use a skill saw, you can always use a flashlight, you know, all that kind of stuff. Think about that. Save yourself some money and buy the combo set. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos